What's up everybody? Phil with Bull City Pictures here with a quick tutorial today. Going to show you how to import and edit photos, raw photos, on your iPad in Lightroom CC. You'll need a few things to do that. You'll need a card with the photos. You'll need a card reader. And this is not an official Apple one. I'll put a link down below to the one that I used here. It's less expensive. Seems to work pretty well. Basically, you're just going to need to plug the card reader in with the card in it, and that will bring up an import dialog. It's going to import into your camera roll. And you can see we have a bunch of pictures here. A bunch of bird shots. I like to photograph birds. So we're going to go ahead and just select a couple to import. And basically just select them by tapping. Once you've got them selected, you click on import. And you can import them all if you'd like. Or in this case, I'm going to import just the selected ones. And that will import those two. And now you can see it's asking if we want to keep those. Since the import's complete, do we want to keep those on the memory card or do we want to delete them? I'd like to keep them on the card. And then from here, it's pretty simple and straightforward. We just go into Adobe Lightroom CC, and this is CC 18 2018. And you can see on the screen that we have an icon down at the bottom right. You can take a picture or you can add. So if you click on the add or tap on the add, you can see now that we have two pictures here. Those two raw pictures that we just imported. You just need to select it to tap it, and now that will allow you to edit that picture inside of Adobe Lightroom CC. So this was not meant to be a Lightroom CC tutorial. If you would like one though, leave a comment down below and let me know. I'd like to know what you'd like to see for videos overall. I know I've been doing a lot of camera reviews. I think some of these tutorial videos would be helpful. Let me know what you'd like to see. Phil with Bull City Pictures. Thanks for taking the time to watch this really quick video on how to import and edit videos on your iPad, raw files, on your iPad through Adobe Lightroom CC. We will see you again in the next video.